Hey there! Today, I'm sharing 3 deadly habits that could be silently destroying your kidneys. Stay tuned to find out what to avoid to keep your kidneys healthy and happy. Our kidneys are vital for our overall health, but some everyday habits can harm them. Let's dive into these harmful habits and how to avoid them. Habit hash 1. First, not drinking enough water. Dehydration puts a strain on your kidneys, making it harder for them to filter out toxins. Stay hydrated to support kidney function. Habit hash 2. Next, consuming too much salt. High salt intake can raise your blood pressure, which over time damages your kidneys. Cut down on salt to keep your kidneys healthy. Habit hash 3. Lastly, overusing painkillers. Taking too many pain medications can lead to serious kidney damage. Always follow the recommended dosage and consult your doctor. The most damaging habit? Overusing painkillers. This can severely impact your kidney health, so use them responsibly and explore other pain relief options. To protect your kidneys, remember to stay hydrated, reduce salt intake, and use painkillers responsibly. Small changes can make a big difference. If you found this helpful, share and subscribe for more health tips. Comment below with your thoughts or questions. Let's make informed choices for healthier kidneys. Thanks for watching.